Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to cancel a subscription on Skool. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to skool.com and log into your account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right, then click on settings. You will see here all your subscriptions. So for me, as you can see, I have these two. So let's say I want to cancel my subscription for this one. So click on settings. Click on manage membership, this one. And as you can see here at the bottom, we have cancel membership. Click on it. And here at the bottom, you will see finish cancellation. Click on it. And now membership canceled, as you can see. Now click on got it and click on leave group. Click on leave group. And now if we go to our profile picture here at the top, click on settings. As you can see, I have only one subscription. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.